This is Palestine in 1946, in 1947, in 1967, and in 2021. We can clearly observe that Israel's total area has gradually increased over the past few decades. If we compare the United Nations partition plan map with today's map, it has a significant difference. How did this change happen at all? Let's learn from the past. It was during Second World War in 1939. Adolf Hitler was in power in Germany. He hated Jews from the First World War. After he came to power, he started Holocaust against the Jews. He actually hated Jews, due to which he did the Holocaust. Between 1941 and 1945, Nazi Germany and its collaborators systematically murdered some 6 million Jews across German-occupied Europe. It was around two-thirds of the Jews' population in Europe. After the war, there was a strong feeling of nationalism among the Jews. They wanted the country of their Jews desperately. So most of them returned to their holiest place, Jerusalem. At that point of time, today's Israel and Palestine was just Palestine. Despite strong opposition from the Arab, the United Nations voted for the partition of Palestine and the creation of independent Jewish state. After Israel declared independence, forces from Egypt, Jordan, Syria, Lebanon and Iraq invaded the newly formed country Israel. The Israelis managed to fight off the Arabs and then seize key territories such as Galilee, the Palestinian coast and a strip of territory connecting the coastal region to the west section of Jerusalem. In 1949, UN brokered ceasefires left the state of Israel in permanent control of these conquered areas. The departure of hundreds of thousands of Palestinian Arabs from Israel during the war left the country with a Jewish majority. The Second Israel-Arab War began in 1956, shortly after Egypt announced nationalization of the Suez Canal, an important trade route. Israel invaded Egypt, got support from the Britain and France. The US and USSR brokered a deal to end the war. After 11 years, Israel fought another war, popularly known as the Six-Day War. During the Six-Day War, Israel fought Egypt, Syria, Jordan, Iraq and Lebanon. This war was fought between 5 June 1967 to 10 June 1967, during which Israel defeated all nations alone. After this war, Israel occupied Gaza Strip, Sinai Peninsula and the West Bank. After the war, Palestine's area gradually decreased, but on the other end, Israel's area increased. Israel slowly started to make settlements on the land of Palestine. Due to this reason, the tensions between Palestine and Israel also increased. Let's talk about current conflict now. Palestinian protests began on 6 May in Sheikh Jarrah because Israel was trying to create a new settlement in Palestine's area. But clashes soon spread to Al-Aqsa Mosque, Lod and other Arab localities in Israel and in the West Bank. Between 10 and 14 May, Israeli security forces injured about 1,000 Palestinian protesters in East Jerusalem. After the incident, Hamas demanded Israel remove its forces from Al-Aqsa Mosque by 10 May 6 p.m. Minutes after the deadline passed, Hamas fired more than 150 rockets into Israel from Gaza. Israel also fired back with air strikes on Gaza. The next day, a 13-story residential building in Gaza collapses after being hit during an Israeli airstrike. Palestinian militants also launched rockets deep into Israel. On May 12, the United Nations announced it will send an envoy to the region. Israel's military also killed a senior Hamas commander during the day. On May 13, Israeli airstrike and militant rocket fire continued and violence worsened in the region. The violence is increasing, due to which it is becoming worse day by day. There is still no sign of violence being stopped. This was our video about Israel and Palestinian conflict. What is your verdict on this issue? Please be sure to give your thoughts in the comment box below. This was our first video. What do we need to improve in our next video? Please comment down your ideas below. Also, subscription to the channel is much appreciated. See you next week. Thank you.